Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to build a simple storage solution to store millions of items. It's endless, and it's not this chest, but it's actually similar in size. So let me quickly show you how to build that. All the things you're going to need is everything in my hotbar. You'll need two chests. One will do, but I would recommend two. You'll need two hoppers. And then you'll need two of one of these three blocks. So it could be trapdoor, any other similar, just any trapdoor, or alternatively you could use slabs. You'll need at least one of these, and just any other building block, or just two of these. So let me quickly show you the different options over there. So what you'll start off with your one chest. Now this will be your output chest, so all your items will store in here. This is where you'll take it out. And the next step, what you want to do is place a hopper at the back going into it like this, and then take your trapdoor, place it on top of your chest. And this could be a slab or even a glass block, and this is just so you can still open the chest, but it just has to be a block that comes to the edge of the hopper here, so you can see it touches there just on that line there. I'm just going to use a trapdoor because I think it looks nice, and just make it upright like that. And then I'm actually going to place another one on the back over here. I just prefer the look of it like this. And then take your rail and place your rail in like this, and it just has to go from back to forth. If you're going to put it in like this, it's not going to work. You're going to mess things up. So the easiest will just be to do it like this. And then the next step is you'll actually want to place a hopper on top of that, and then it'll look like this. And then your input chest on the top here. So this is where you'll put in your items. This could also be a double chest, or double chest, or you can even make it like this. It doesn't matter, you just need some. You can either put it straight into this hopper as well, but I just prefer having it into a chest. I think it just looks nicer. And then the next step is you want to place your minecarts with a chest. You could also use one with a hopper, but as you can see, there's only 5 slots available. This one has I'm not sure how many. Now I'll put a number on the screen. It can store much more items. So this is why I'm using the minecart with chest, and it's actually more expensive to make the minecart with a chest because minecart with a hopper, sorry, because you need a minecart for that and a hopper, and to make a hopper you need 5 pieces of iron and a chest. So it's actually just cheaper to make the one with the chest inside. And then you're going to come here on your contraption, and then you're going to place as many as you want. Now I'm in creative, so I can just click, but if you're in survival, then you're going to need quite a few of these minecarts. But the more you put in here, the more storage space you're gonna have. And this is the whole thing, and you can literally put an unlimited amount of minecarts in here with the chest. The only thing is that there will become a point that there's so many minecarts that it creates lag, and it will be noticeable. So I would only put in like 20 or 30 maybe. And if you have in the same space, as you can see here, like this is 3 blocks because you have this block over here, so it's 3 blocks by 4, so that's why I made this configuration. So if you can put, let's say that's 12 single chests over there. So if you can put 12 minecarts in here, then this is already more storage, because then you have that's 1 chest, that's 2, and then for each minecart with a chest put in there, that's another chest. So this is actually a very space efficient way to put it. Just I wouldn't put too many chests in here, because then you will create lag and that will become a problem. So yeah, I wouldn't put too many on here, and you could break this rail if you really wanted to, but I wouldn't do that, because then your minecarts could actually fly out the sides, and yeah, then some weird glitches happen. So yeah, I would recommend just leaving the rail in there. And another important thing is, don't jump in there like on that block, or when you break those, don't jump in, because you will die instantly of entity cramming. So for those of you that doesn't know what entity cramming is, it's basically, on default I believe it's 24. So when there's more than 24 items or entities on a single block, then the last one to go in will get deleted. So the minecart doesn't get deleted, so you can put in here as really as many as you want, and they'll all be here. Actually, if I just press F3 and it brings up this menu, you can see there, I will enlarge it, but there is 150 items there. So if you put in more, there it went up to 160 there. That's it, yeah, there 160. So if I was to go into survival and jump in there, I would just die instantly. A lot of mob farms are actually based off of this entity cramming system, so then your mobs just are directed into this block, and then when they fall in there, they die instantly. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend jumping in there or anything like that, because you will die. And yeah, this is very simple. You could also build this on a very simple flying machine, but then you just wouldn't be able to use this hoppers here at the top or at the bottom. So yeah, you would basically put your rail on a slime block with blocks on both ends, also to keep your minecarts in. So yeah, you could transport multiple millions of items with a flying machine, but I haven't done any testing to see what the limits are with that, so I'm not gonna show you that in today's video. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this. So this is actually very simple, and it's easy to build, and it's not even that resource intensive. So if you have an iron farm and a wood farm, you can easily do that, or you could just go and chop down trees and mine for iron, and then you can really easily build this farm. And the other thing is, if you link this up with the item sorter like I did there, I'll put a card into that video. Then you can theoretically space these next to each other and have literally just like this in a single slot, and have next to each other and all your items, and you will really store a lot of items like that. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Saying thank you for watching, guys. Leave a like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, also hit the bell icon to get notified of any future videos. And yeah, just thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.